Together, we will break the silence and end the stigma. Good afternoon, I am Shivanandana of Class 12A. Today, December 1st is World AIDS Day. It is a call for unity, compassion and understanding. AIDS is a chronic and life-threatening disease caused by the HIV virus. World AIDS Day is commemorated every year on 1st December. The purpose of this day is to unite people in the world in order to support those who are affected by HIV. Have you ever wondered what a person who is affected by AIDS has to face? How life could be difficult for them because they are carrying a deadly disease? Mostly, we could show sympathy and pity for their condition, but never show empathy for them. This day is to stand with the people who have AIDS and to support them. Every year, World AIDS Day is observed on a specific theme. For this year, the theme announced is, Let Communities Lead. World AIDS Day is important because it reminds us that HIV still prevails in society and so is a social stigma around it. The public must attain proper knowledge about the virus and how to treat people living with HIV fairly. Remaining people to show empathy towards people who are diagnosed by HIV is the sole purpose of this day, to end stigma and discrimination faced by the affected and to improve the quality of life of people living with HIV is the main reason for why World AIDS Day is being celebrated. As long as it is about HIV. Hate the disease but not the disease. Spread awareness, not ignorance. Thank you.